Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to look at Glaker Professional Hair Clipper. We're just doing an unboxing and then we'll test it out and then we'll do a review. So we're just going to jump right into the unboxing so you guys can see what's in the box and everything. So here's pretty much the front. Here's the back. I like how it comes with its own case. Okay, I'll have to break this also. And here's all the extensions, add-ons that it comes with. So we're going to open this. As you can tell, it has a nice rubber handle so it doesn't slip. Here you have to put around you. Charging cable. Here's B&A. So this 1.5 and this is 4.5 millimeter. See here we have right and left. Doesn't specify. Here we have operation manual, and it has, let's see, 30 pages. And so it tells you what to do, what not to do. It's in different languages: Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch, and English. So it has a left, right, 1.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4.5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 22 millimeter, 25 millimeter, 32 millimeter, and 38 millimeter, and 51 millimeter. So it tells you what to use, precaution for use, LED, what the different LED lights mean. Also comes with a comb. Here we have 1-year warranty. It also tells you what to do and what not to do. And these are all the attachments, as well as these. Put this in here. So here's a hair clipper. It's got with a little brush. It feels really heavy. Good quality. And of course, it has the protector. Really cool design. Very impressed. Has a little grip area. Place to hang it if you want to. So it says peel the tape and take off the protective cover before switching it on. So let's remove this. Might be already charged, not sure. So that's already charged. You can tell it's at 100. So a really cool design. Like I said, it's kind of heavy. So really impressed. Can't wait to test it, and then we'll do a review. Okay, so I just had my wife pretty much cut my hair, And you can see in the video, I'm going to show it as I'm talking, but really smooth cut, cuts very well, very quick. It doesn't nick or anything, didn't have any cuts or anything. Even when my wife messed up a little bit and almost gave me a cut in the nose, it didn't cut. So very impressed with the quality of the shaver. There's many different settings. I'm ex-military, so I like mine really short. And so that's my the way I'm used to. Plus, I was a military kid, so it was always short too as well. So in my life, I've always had short hair. But this is a really good shaver. It cuts very smooth, like butter, literally, and it doesn't like grab at the hair and pull it. So the blades are very nicely sharp, and the battery lasts a long time. It's wireless, so it pretty much you could do a lot, or cordless. There's a lot of stuff you could do. Whereas the cord ones, a lot of times we have. I was using a cord one to cut my own hair for the last 15 years, and I would say the blade kind of diminished. Also, I don't feel that the corded one was as strong as the cordless one. I think that the cordless one, for some reason, is stronger, especially this one. And I had a name brand that I bought. So I think that this is definitely worth buying and highly recommend it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description. I'm going to have a link where buying the shaver. And see you in the next video.